What up, Chi-Town? What up, Spoken Word Cafe? I am the Travel Man, represent Gary, Indiana all day, you know what I'm saying? But I got mad love for Chi-Town. I do good business, good music, good weeds from all people in Chi-Town, all sides, you know what I'm saying? Addict the Mixtape, that's my latest project. Get real familiar with it, it's the hottest shit out right now. You won't be disappointed at all, you know what I'm saying? I came here tonight, I'ma drop it. I know it's my time, but I gotta wait for the beat to come in, and here it is. Y'all get familiar, MySpace, /.com, Travel Man Music, get familiar, and here it go with it, y'all. Just a little sample of how I do. Check it out. Call me the man on the moon. Mind like a spaceship, listen to the zoom. Science of a flow writer, call me Dr. Doom. I shoot bullets, kill crack. This is what I do, man. This is what I do. Nobody like me. I'm in the class by myself. The most interesting book on the shelf. No one else got eyes like me. Call me visionary. I'm from Gary, Indiana. Don't no nigga scare me. Good is more than just a look. It's about your heart and action. My game will have your money, plus your woman satisfaction. Y'all wish y'all could have my swag and my grind. I know about hard times, but here I come with the shine. Get the revolution, pimp my pen like prostitution. That's what it is, right there, Travel Man, Envy Gang, y'all love right now. Black Mike, Harold cut the other mic on.
Go hard.
Alright, go hard, homeboy. What number? Number 1, right? Here you go. You know what I'm saying?